Where's the blue tag? Here it is, here it is, here it is. Ooh, hello, hello, gay friends. Hi, gang. Hi, friends. Hello, gang friends. Hi. I hope you're okay. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video finds you well. If you are new, then hi, hello, welcome, come on in. My name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff with nail stuff, and the stuff she does with nails is done with nail stuff and stuff with nails. We're gonna do a Valentine's set. Kind of, is it Valentine's? I'll let you be the judge. Let's get cracking. That was my pajamas. Did you see them? I'm starting with a Dolly Daydream. I'm going to do that on 2 nails, and then I'm going to do Wild Violet on 2 as well. I'm shouting again. Oh, calm down. Wild Violet on 2 nails, and then I'm going to do an ombre on this one, a vertical ombre. Well, is it vertical? The lines are vertical, but it's going left to right. What do you call it? Do you call the other way vertical, or is it? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Doing an ombre. But based on what I do after this, completely pointless doing an ombre, so you could just do a straight line down the middle. Whatever floats your boat. Half pink, half purple, whatever you'd like in the middle. I'm now taking Dolly Daydream again, so I haven't done a second coat, and Strawberry Bonbons and powder pink. I'm going to blob them on in no particular fashion, and then taking a bit of a sandwich bag, and we're going to mash marble. I do have a video on marbles. I will put a link in the description for a whole bunch of different techniques for marbling. This is one of them. Oh, that reminds me. Our hater from today, for today's episode, is from the marble video, I think. So I'm taking it off. If it seems too thick in one spot, I'll pat down on it again because the plastic will pick some up. And then I'm going to cure it. I'm going to do the same on this nail with the base colour again, which is the Wild Violet, and Tooth Fairy and Lilac Lace. Breathe, 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 breathe. And I hold my breath. I can't hold my breath and speak for 15 minutes, so we need to work on this. I'm doing exactly the same with this one. As I peel up, you can see the top right there was a bit much, so I'm just going to sort of smush that out a bit, spread it out a bit more. And then on the top left there's a bit of a bald patch, so we will smush on there again. Smush, that's the technical term. And then I'm curing, and on this one I do the same, but I'll do the pink first. I won't cure it. I'll just mash it first, and then I'll do the purple. I'm using the same bit of sandwich bag. I'm just wiping it on a lint wipe each time. In case you're wondering. If you can hear jangling, it's because I'm gesticulating, and one of my rings has got a dangly thing on it. Can you hear it? Sounds like Christmas Eve. So you can see now where I'm doing this mash marble over the top. It was the ombre is just completely redundant. But never mind. Moving on. This was the second set I drunkenly sat down to do, but the first set was just really boring. I think I do show you at the end of the video, but it was ombres. It was horizontal, or the other way, ombres on all nails, but I didn't like them, so that was a goddamn waste of time. With the purples and the pinks, the full purple and pinks on this set. Oh, look at these iridescent stars and hearts from Diamond Glitters, which is where you can get your Gel Perfection polishes as well at diamondglitters.co.uk, and you can use code TEAMDG for a discount. Right, where are we? This is the first base, which is a base coat. I'm dry brushing, which means just to have barely any product on your brush, so the brush is kind of dry. And I'm just doing that so it's it's barely a coat. It's a very thin brushing on, just to use as something for these hearts to stick to. And on the purple ones, we'll do the stars. I was just saying about the pink and the purple. I say a lot. I'm not showing both of the purples and both of the pinks because I'm doing pretty much the same thing. So I don't want to waste your time, okay? Time is precious. Spend it with a loved one. Is instead of So I'm popping these stars and I'm then going to cure these so that the stars and the hearts will now be stuck on there. I'm going to do the same on this one. Stars on the left and hearts on the right. Breathe. I did ask somebody to send me a message just to remind me to breathe every 10 minutes. Actually, no, I'll be dead. 10 seconds maybe. So they're all cured now, and I'm taking the Fairy Lights Diamond Gloss, and this is a top coat that's got tiny bits of hollow glitter in it. It's amazing. I wish my skin looked like that. Oh, can you imagine if your skin looked like that? Like a Cullen in the sun. I'm also dry brushing this as well because I'm not using the top coat to seal everything in or smooth everything out. I'm dry brushing it on there. I'm using it for its glitter. Sorry, Fairy Lights. I'm taking advantage of you. But that's okay. You're an inanimate object. So again, I'm dry brushing, and so it won't look as sparkly as it will once we do this, which is topping with Super Gloss, which is a rubber, like a thick rubber top coat, and that's going to smooth everything out where we've got the mashed marble, we've got the hearts, we've got the dry brushed glitter, so it's going to smooth it all out, and you'll see the hollow bits now better because they're not sort of hidden in streaky brush strokes. They're all under a nice smooth shiny coat of Super Gloss. And then again, had no idea what I was going to be doing at this point, but this is as far as we got. Possibly should have left it because I'm not sure if I ruin it, but we'll see. I'll let you decide. So I'm going to buff them because I want to paint on them. I forgot to press record, so I'm going to start doing some stars in black on the left. I'm doing the purple ones to the left, and then the pink ones will be on the right. But I've buffed because obviously you don't want to paint, as with anything in life. you wouldn't paint on a shiny bathroom tile and expect it not to just peel off. So I'm buffing, and also I needed a smooth surface. If the nail was completely smooth, even though it was tacky, that's fine. But because it wasn't, oh my goodness me, because it wasn't smooth to paint on, I topped with Super Gloss to make it smooth. But now that that's dry and shiny, I want to buff so that the next step can adhere better. Does that make sense? It does to me. It's a crowded place up there. I'm using a gel paint for the black and the white that we're about to do. I normally use Gel Perfection's black and white, but I had gel paints sat around for a while, so I thought, try and get used to them and see what they're all about. And while we are doing this, I will say hello to some of you fine people who have left some nice comments, and one that has left a not nice comment. We'll have an episode of Lovers and Haters. Lovers and haters, lovers and haters. You get the picture. So our first message was from Kenny G. That was my saxophone. Did you get that? It's probably not the same Kenny G. They said they have been missing out. New subscriber, ma'am. They also said, damn, I thought these were from a stamping plate, but you drew them. And if that's not the kind of compliment that warrants a place on Lovers and Haters, I don't know what is. Hurt my throat a little bit then. We also, thank you, Kenny G, welcome. We also had a message from Brazen Spirituality. Brazen. He says, I propose new legislation. I heretofore never shall a Valentine's heart-related, rose or floral-covered or otherwise romantically themed nail video be released without a Lovers and Haters segment. I hope this satiates, and you're in it. I didn't have a Lovers and Haters last time because I didn't have a hater. Not that I'm complaining. Just realised I'm talking really fast. Right. We had another comment. Oh, this is our hater. It said, all thing is okay, but I think you shouldn't make the video too long. It's annoying. Your spelling's annoying. It was a compilation video. There were 10 nails on it. You know, it's not going to be a 5-minute video. If only YouTube had a way, we should really suggest a way to stop watching the video. That would really be a great feature of the platform. So we've done some black stars, and now we're starting with some white hearts. Again, this is with a white gel paint. And I'm going to do some dots on there as well. I'm not worrying about the iridescent hearts and stars underneath. I'm just putting things where I want to, not trying to sort of avoid the iridescent ones. And then with the pink side, I wanted stars as well, because it's me. I want stars on everything. So I did some galaxy type stars. So we'll get there. We'll talk about it when we get there, shall we? Okay. While we're waiting to get to the next thing that happens, I think now would be the best time for you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to know when I upload, then you can press the little bell. You know how it works. You know the drill. So yeah, hit subscribe. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't say that enough in my videos, and everybody else does, so do the stuff and the thing if you want. It's up to you. You can also follow me on Instagram at Miss Jo's Nail Co. And before I say anything else, the coins that I showed you in my last video and my desk tour, a lot of you were really into the coins and liked seeing them, and you said you collect coins as well. The nerd in me needs to point out that that wasn't my coin collection. That was just change for clients. My coin collection is hidden away in a big round tin that looks like an Oreo. So now I'm doing the galaxy stars. They're what I call galaxy stars. So I do a dot, and then without putting any more product on my brush, I'm just going to lift up and pull up and pull down and pull left and right. And as you do that, you just want to lift off with the pressure. So lighter pressure as you get to the end, so it sort of wisps out. We also had a message from Katie XOX. She says, I'm British, so not sure why I just sat through you watching, talking about coins, but she did, so thank you. If you do need to add more product to get the arms of your stars out, then do another dot in the center and pull out from there again, so your arms stay nice and thin. This is what we had so far. I didn't want to do anything else because I knew once we topped now with diamond gloss, of course, it was going to be a lot more fussy, which is why I needed 4 arms for the star and not like the ones coming out from the center diagonally as well. So we've topped with diamond gloss. I think the black would have looked better in white as well. I don't know. I was going for a kind of, the initial plan was to do a kind of love-hate half and half, but it all got a bit sort of pastel and dreamlike. So I think the black might be a bit harsh, but it's still kind of cute, I guess. I do show you the first set I did that I thought was far too boring. So this is all of them topped and shiny. The light lines look a lot more wiggly than they did when I was looking at them with my naked eyeballs, as opposed to the ones that are wearing full metal armour. What do you think? Which is your favourite? Let me know in the comments whether you're purple and black or pink and white. I think regardless of the fact that it's a bit too stark, I'm definitely the purple black side. But let me know which one's your favourite. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I do show you, oh, don't hold your breath, it's very boring. That was the initial set, but I just thought we needed to throw some more shit at the situation, so we've got glitter and iridescent stuff. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you in general for being you. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.